number one cause of body numbness. You see, numbness, tingling, pins and needles can be very uncomfortable. Sometimes can be very scary, and we can't, ignore it. Ignoring it can, bring more serious health problems. It may feel that, okay, my blood is not circulating well, or maybe my nerves, I may have nerve problems. Yes, it could be, but the one key cause that stands out above all what I've mentioned, circulation and nerve issue, is deficiency of vitamin B12. When you say deficiency of vitamin B12, it means you don't have enough, or you're not getting enough. Maybe true because of poor circulation, poor food that you are eating. Maybe the food is not, you don't have enough nutrients in it. These days, the food we eat, of course, you don't have enough of that. In fact, very rich source of vitamin B12 is meat, like beef, pork, organ meat, liver. But unfortunately, we have a lot of these hormones and antibiotics, so you can't eat too much meat. We have source like chicken, turkey, fish, salmon, sardines are really, really good source. But you can eat to meet the need of vitamin B12. We have milk, yogurt, eggs, egg yolk. We can get all these B12 from that. But you can't get enough. That's why Natural Link has created the natural source of vitamin B12 supplements together with B6. And beware of synthetic vitamins, because they have toxic residuals that will not help you actually. So get the natural form, and so you can contact Natural Link and get my number and contact as well. Now, the other thing that you should understand is that there are some people that may be deficient. Why are some people deficient? Apart from poor nutrition, is a low stomach acid. Don't let anybody tell you have a lot of acid, and so you are giving anti-acid. Anti-acid can impair absorption of vitamin B12. If you have low acid, you know that when you eat, you feel bloated, you pass gas, you have burning, you have heartburn, and that will indicate that you have low acid. If you have low acid, your stomach valve cannot close well. So we need more acid to help absorb vitamin B12. And there are some individuals that may also have problem with digestive disorders. Maybe they have Crohn's disease or celiac disease or gastritis. That's inflammation of the stomach lining that can impair absorption of B12. Some people may have surgery. Because of surgery, they may not be able to absorb B12. Some individuals may be using metformin or proton pump inhibitors, that is antacids, when you go to the hospital because they say you have too much acid. There are people, because of aging, in the 50s, you have less acid. You can't absorb B12 well. Alcoholism would damage the stomach lining and the liver, so you can't absorb and store B12. We have a condition called pernicious anemia. It's not common condition, but it's just the fact that your stomach lining is not producing what they call intrinsic factor. It's a protein your stomach is supposed to produce, so that intrinsic factor will help you to absorb these B12. So some people may suffer from this. It's not too common, but it does exist. What are the symptoms? The general symptoms are you feel tired even after sleeping 8 hours. You don't feel like eating. You don't get hungry. You feel nauseated, vomiting. You feel like you're losing weight, and you don't understand why you're losing weight. And some people may have inflamed tongue or sore mouth or tongue. Some individuals may have faster heart rate. They are short of breath when they climb stairs. It could be lack of vitamin B12. You may also have yellowish skin or the white part of the eye. If you have excessive breakdown of red blood cells, that can lead to that. If your body is lacking B12, your bone marrow cannot produce red blood cells well, and that can damage and break down into bilirubin, which will cause the yellowing condition of the skin and the eye. And then we have the neurological symptom. That is a numbness, tingling, the pins and needles, the sensations. That is a key thing in the hands or in the leg. Okay, vision problems. You may have blurry eyes, and so you go to the optician to change your glasses. You don't need new glasses. You need B12. All right. You may have difficulty thinking, speaking well, making decisions, and of course remembering things. All these could be B12 deficiency. Psychologically, we have psychological symptoms like feeling depressed. You get angry easily. You feel easily irritated, and the mood swing. You could feel paranoid that somebody is plotting against you or to harm you. It's a very strange feeling, all because of deficiency of B12. And you may have some sensory symptoms like creeping or crawling. Something is crawling on your body, or creeping, or burning sensation, or cold on your body. Some individuals may not tolerate heat or cold, or they may experience itchy body, dry skin, and brittle nails. These are the symptoms of vitamin B deficiency. If you need the natural form, reach out. The number calling outside the UK, +44 738 464 7300. You can join me also on my YouTube channel. Put in Dr. James Natural Link. Dr. James Natural Link. Go there to subscribe and be a blessing to yourself and someone else. Thank you very much for